Dear students, welcome to my classroom. In previous class, we derived some trigonometric identities which are very important, and also we solved some problems based on the identities in exercise 11.4. And today we are going to solve the remaining problems in that exercise. So let us solve the problems with the problem number 5. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. This is the question. So first given is, in LHS we have 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Here we can take cos theta as LCM, and then we can write 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, in numerator like this. And the denominator remains same, cos theta. Now we have 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, isn't it? So write sin square theta instead of 1 minus cos square theta. Now this sin square theta can be divided as sin theta into sin theta. So we get sin theta by cos theta into sin theta like this. Now we have sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this one becomes tan theta into sin theta, which is our required RHS. Okay, so now LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. And the next one is, simplify sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. So take the given one. Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. So first multiply the sec A with the terms in first bracket. Then we get sec A into 1 sec A minus sec A into sin A into sec A. And the second bracket remains same. Now sec A can be written as 1 by cos A. So write sec A as 1 by cos A. Now sin A into 1 sin A by cos A. So this one becomes sin A by cos A. And also we have sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. So it becomes sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A. Now it is of the form A minus B into A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. So we can write here sec square A minus tan square A, because here sec A is A and tan A is B. So we get sec square A minus tan square A. Here the reason is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Also we have sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1 from trigonometric identities. So we can write it as 1. So the simplification of given expression is 1. So the next problem, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here we have to prove sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So take LHS, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now both of these are of form A plus B whole square. So expand. By expansion we get A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. In that way, we get sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. So second bracket also equal to cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Now, by rearranging these terms, we get sin square A plus cos square A together and cosec square A, sec square A together. So remaining terms are 2 sin A into cos A plus 2 cos A into sec A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That's why we are rearranging the terms here. Okay. So write sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. As well as in RHS, we need tan square A and cot square A. That's why write cosec square A as 1 plus cot square A and sec square A as 1 plus tan square A. Okay. And also we have sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Cos A into sec A is equal to 1 because sin A and cosec A are multiplicative inverses of each other, as well as cos A into sec A are multiplicative inverses of each other. So here we get 1 in place of sin square A plus cos square A and 1 plus cot square A in place of cosec square A and 1 plus tan square A in place of sec square A and 2 into 1 where 2 sin A into cos A is equal, cosec A is equal to, and 2 into 1 again 2 cos A into sec A is equal to. So now by adding constants here, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, which is our required RHS. Hence, proved. So next problem, 8th one is simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So take the given expression 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. It is clear that the first two terms are of the form a minus b into a plus b. So we can simplify these two as a square minus b square. That is 1 minus cos square theta. So here is the result. Again, we have 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So substitute the values. 1 minus cos square is sin square and 1 plus cot square is cosec square. So here the both terms have squares here. So we can write it as sin theta into cosec theta whole square. But we know sin theta and cosec theta are multiplicative inverses of each other. So that's why here product of these two is equal to 1. So we get 1 square, which is equal to 1. So the simplification of given expression is equal to 1. Okay. Then the next problem is, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Okay. Students, we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. As sec square theta minus tan square theta is of the form a square minus b square, we can factorize this term as a plus b into a minus b. That is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. So the reason is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now, according to the given data, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. So now substitute p in place of sec theta plus tan theta. By transforming this p to right side, we get sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So we get sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So we need to remember this result because in objective choice questions, this type of questions may be come. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So it is very important. So students, according to the given data, we can write cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So take it as equation 1. And we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. By factorizing in left hand side, we get cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta because it is of the form a square minus b square. So here it is the reason. But from equation 1, we can write cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Now by transforming this k to right side, we get cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Take it as equation 2. Now by adding these two equations, we get cosec theta plus cot theta plus cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. Students, in left hand side, we have plus cot theta minus cot theta, which can be cancelled. Also, cosec theta plus cosec theta, which is equal to 2 cosec theta. And in right hand side, take k as LCM. Then in numerator, we get k into k, that is k square plus 1. By in the denominator, k remains with same. So we get 2 cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. Now by transforming these two to right side, we get cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. But students, we cannot write cos theta from cosec theta. So, but when we know the value of sin theta, we get cos theta by using under root 1 minus sin square theta. So, write the multiplicative notes of cosec theta. That is sin theta is equal to 2k by k square plus 1. Now, we know that cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. Substitute the value of sin theta here. So cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus 2k by k square plus 1 whole square. Because here we have sin theta is equal to 2k by k square plus 1. Now, by writing square to both numerator and denominator, we get 2k whole square is equal to 4k square and k square plus 1 whole square in denominator. So by taking k square plus 1 whole square as LCM, here we get k square plus 1 whole square into 1, k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square. Now, using the formula of a plus b whole square, expand this k square plus 1 whole square. Then we get k square whole square, that is k power 4 plus 1 square, 1 plus 2ab, 2 into k square into 1, 2k square. And beside that, we have minus 4k square. So here, we get cos theta is equal to under root k power 4 plus 1 minus 2k square, because here 2k square minus 4k square is equal to minus 2k square. So we can observe that it is the expansion of k square minus 1 whole square. So we can write it as k square minus 1 whole square. So we observe that in both numerator and denominator, we have squares and both have square roots also. So by cancelling squares and square roots, we get cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So hence proved. So this is the last problem of the chapter trigonometry. Students, trigonometry is very important for further studies. So please practice thoroughly so that you can face very easily in future trigonometric studies. Okay, students, that's all for today. See you in next class. Bye.